Question number 8, in the figure AOB and COD are straight lines. If AOC angle AOC is equal to 90 and BOD angle is equal to 48, find angle AOC and angle DOE. We have to find these angle AOC. We have to find this one first, and then for the remaining DOE, that one we have to find these two angles. Part first, we have to find AOC angles. What will be the angle AOC? AB and CD, two straight line intersect each other. So these two angles will be a vertical opposite angles. Angle AOC will be equal to 48 degree, and give the reason that angle vertical, right here, vertical opposite angles, vertical opposite angles. For second part, we have to find DOE, angle DOE. We have to find these angles. Here is EOB is an angle of 90 degree. So then right here angle DOE plus 48 degree will be equal to 90 degree. Will be equal to 90 degree. That side will be equal to a 90 degree angles. So angles EOB will be equal to 90 degree. For this reason, EOBD and DOB are adjacent angles. That will be equal to 90 degree, and angle DOE will be equal to 90 minus 48 degree, which will be equal to 42 degree, and that will be the answer. Question number 9. Here is given that AOB and COD are straight lines. Find the values of the unknowns in each of the following figures. Now here is concentrate for part A. Given a diagram, here is given two straight lines AB and CD. These two main lines intersect each other, just like this one, angle AB and angle CD are intersect each other. Angle AB and angle CR intersect each other. So it's mean the whole angle will be the opposite angle of vertical opposite angle of this one. So right here, therefore here's A 30 degree, A degree, 30 degree and 40 degrees. So A degree plus 30 degree plus 40 degree will be equal to 117 degree. Why it's will be equal to 100 degree? Because it's a vertical opposite angles. So from here we will get a unknown angles plus 70 degree will be equal to 117 degree, or that will be equal to a degree will be equal to 117 degree minus 70 degree, which will be equal to when you subtract it you will get 47 degree, and that will be the answer. Now for part B, here is a given two lines AB line, straight line intersect line CD, and given here is a 7B and 3B and C degree. These are the unknowns angles, and we have to find the value of B and C. What will be the value of find and B? Now if you concentrate here, line AB is a straight line, and here is a two angles for 7B and 3B are the adjacent angle on a straight line. So it's mean therefore part B therefore 3B degree plus 7B degree will be equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because it's a adjacent angles on a straight line. So from here it will be equal to 10b will be equal to 180 degree, both sides divided by 10, then 10 will be cancelled with this one. So b degree will be equal to, it will become, when you divide it by 10 you will get it will be 18 degree. Now for finding the value of c, how can you find the value of c? If you concentrate here, a straight line AB intersects another straight line CD, so it means C and 7B are two vertical opposite angles. So right here C degree will be equal to 7B degree, because vertical right here mention the reason that vertical opposite angles. So it's where we put the value of B. So 7 multiplied by 18 degree, then C degree will be equal to 126, and that will be the answer. So the one value will become B degree will be equal to 18 degree, and the other value will become 126. That will be the answer. Now some question from intermediate level. Question number 10. Here is given that three angles x, y and z or three angles lying on a straight line. For part A, if y equal to x plus z, find the value of y. So it's given the conditions. From the given instructions, x, y and z are three angles lies on a straight line. So it's mean just like this one. It's a straight line and three angles lies on a straight line, line A, B, and it's O, and three lines C and D, just like this one, x and y and z lies on a straight line, and the given conditions that y equal to, but the value of y equal to x plus z, it's given, it's the value is given. So therefore then part A, write x degree plus y degree plus z degree will be equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because it's lies the adjacent angles on a straight line. Now the value of y is already given, x degree plus z plus y degree will be equal to, rearrange the date right here, x plus z will be equal to y degree. It's already given, this value is given. So put y degree instead of x degree plus z degree. So it will become y degree plus y degree will be equal to 180 degree. It will be equal to 2y degree will be equal to 180 degree. Both sides divided by 2, then you will get y degree will be equal to, when you divide it you will get a 90. So that will be the answer for part A. Now part B. Here is already given that the value of angle x, y, z will be equal to 180 degree, because it's adjacent angles on a straight line. Yes, mention it's but the given condition that x degree will be equal to y degree will be equal to z degree, and we have to find the value of z. So put the z equal to x and z equal to y in the above equation. So right here the x, because x degree will be equal to z degree, x degree will be equal to a z degree. So put here z degree plus again here is a y degree is equal to z degree, again puts it will be equal to z degree, and the next value is a z degree. will be equal to 180 degree. So it will be equal to a 3z degree will be equal to 180 degree, and now both sides divided by 3. So the coefficient of z will be cancelled with the in the value given in the denominator. So z degree will be equal to, this will be equal to 60 degree, and that will be the answer. Question number 11. In the figure, DOB is a straight line. If BOC is a twice of a AOB. So first you consider it's just for example it's a x degree, and BOC is twice. So it means that angle will be a 2x degree. Now angle COD is 4 times. COD is 4 times of AOB. So it means it will be a 4x degree. DOA angle, this angle DOA angle is 5 times of AOB. This angle will be a 5 times of the angle AOB. So it means it will be a 5. You suppose it will be a 5x. So in the here is a point O. So already we know that angles, the sum of the angles at a point will be equal to a 360 degree. So right here x degree plus 2x degree plus 4x degree plus 5x degree will be equal to 360 degree. And mention here the reason that angles at a point, mention here angles at a point. From here this will be equal to 1 plus 2 3 7 and plus 5 will be equal to 12. So it means 12x degree will be equal to a 360 degree. So divided both sides by 12, both sides by 12. So 12 will be cancelled with this one. So x degree will be equal to, when you divide it, you will get it will be equal to a 30. Therefore angle AOB will be equal to a 30 degree, because it's a, we supposed it's a x degree, so it will become a 30 degree. That's answer number 1. Again the next angle, which is a BOC. So BOC angle will be equal to, it's equal to a 2x degree. So it will be equal to multiplied by a 30. So it will be equal to a 60 degree. And third angle, which is a COD, that will be equal to, it's a 4x degree will be equal to 4 multiplied by 30, which will be equal to 120 degree. And the last one, fourth, which is a DAOD or DOA, DOA angle, that will be equal to 5x degree, x degree will be equal to 5 multiplied by 30, which will be equal to 150. Question number 12. Given that AOB and COD are straight lines, find the values of the unknowns in each of the following figures. Here is given. Now both lines intersect each other at a point O. So it's mean, if you concentrate here, CD straight lines, and these are the two adjacent angle on a straight lines, 7A and 103. So on the basis of this we can easily find the value of A. So right here, therefore 7A A degree up plus 103 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because it's adjacent angles on a straight line. So from here it will be equal to 7A degree will be equal to 180 degree minus 103 degree. 7A degree will be equal to when you subtract 103 degree from above, you will get 77 degree. Both sides divided by 7, so 7 will be cancelled with this one, so a degree will be equal to 11 degree, and that will be the answer number 1. It's unknown. Now we have to find the value of b. From here the AB line intersects CD line, so it's mean 2b degree plus 13 and 103 degree, that angles. These are two vertical opposite angles. So right here 2b degree plus 13 degree will be equal to 103 degree, because it's a vertical opposite angles. You will get 2b degree will be equal to 103 minus 13 degree, which will be equal to 2b degree will be equal to degree. Now both sides divided by 2, so you will get b degree will be equal to, when you divide it, it will be equal to 45 degree, and that will be the answer. So one is a degree is equal to 11 degree, and b, the value of b is equal to 45 degree, and that will be the answer. Question number 11, part B. Here the two straight line is given. One is AB and CD. They are intersect each other. We have to find the value of all these angles. So if you concentrate here on the given line AB straight line, then 1, 2, 3, these are the adjacent angle lies on a straight line AB. So a degree plus 62 degree plus 49 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles on a straight line. A degree plus from 111 degree will be equal to 180 degree, and again it will be equal to 180 degree minus 111 degree, 69 degree. So a degree will be equal to 69 degree. Line AB intersect line CD. Line AB intersects line CD. So it's mean a degree and 3c degree. These are the vertical opposite angles. So it's mean a degree will be equal to 3c degree. The vertical opposite angles. Value of a is, which is equal to 69 degree, will be equal to 3c degree. And now both sides divided by 3. 23. So c degree will be equal to 23 degree, and that will be the answer for c degree. CD lines. So the angle the adjacent angles lies on a straight line. It will be a degree plus e degree will be equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles on so put the value of 69 degree plus e degree will be equal to 180 degree, 111 degree. So e degree will be equal to 111 degree. Part C. Here is a given two straight lines AB and CD intersect each other, and we have to find the value of F and G. Then if we focus on the lines AB intersect CD, so it's mean 7F plus 5 degree and 2F plus 35 degree. These are the vertical opposite angles. So right here 7F degree plus 5 degree will be equal to 2F degree plus 35 degree, because these are the vertical opposite angles. So from here you will get 5F degree will be equal to 30 degree, and both sides divided by 5, then it will become F degree will be equal to 6 degree, and that will be the answer for F. Now we have to find the value of G on the straight line AB. So it will be a 5G degree plus 18 degree plus 2f degree plus 35 degree. Already look here, it's a one angle and it's another angle will be equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Angle AOC and angle COB are the adjacent angles of a line AB. So it will be equal to 180 degree adjacent angles on a straight line. 5G plus 18 degree plus 2 multiply by, here the value of is 6 plus 35 will be equal to 180 degree. So it will become a 5G degree plus 18 degree plus it will be equal to 12 degree and plus 35 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So 5G degree plus 65 degree will be equal to 180 degree and 5G degree will be equal to 180 degree minus 65 degree, and from here it will become 5G degree will be equal to 115 degree. So both sides divided by 5, then it's mean it's the value of G will be equal to 23 degree. That will be the answer. Part D. Here's a line, straight line AB intersects another line CD. Now there are some adjacent angles lies on a straight line AB, which is 32, 104 and 2i, and we have to find the value of I. So it will be equal to 2i degree plus 104 degree plus 32 degree, because 2 AOC COG GOB are adjacent angles lies on a straight line AB, So 2i plus 104 plus 32 will be equal to 180 degree adjacent angles on a straight line, adjacent angle on a straight line. So it will be equal to 2i degree plus 136 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So 2i degree will be equal to 180 minus 136 degree, which will be equal to from, so 2 is equal to 44. Both sides divided by 2, I will be equal to, when you divide it will be equal to 22 degree. Now if you concentrate on the straight line CD, look here, then you can easily find the value of H by the adjacent angles. So it's means 2i plus H degree plus here this symbol indicates the it's a 90 degree, it's indicate 90 degree, so plus 90 degree, and here is another angle which is a 24 degree, that will be equal to 180 degree adjacent angles on straight line, adjacent angle on a straight line. So already we know now the value of I, which is 22, so 2 multiplied by 22 plus H degree plus 90 plus 24 degree will be equal to 180 degree. H degree plus 158 degree will be equal to 180 degree, or H degree will be equal to 22 degree. Now finding the value of F. If you concentrate here, a two line straight line AB intersect line CD, so it's mean F and 2i are both are the vertical opposite angles. So therefore f degree will be equal to 2i degree, because it's the vertical opposite angles. So put the value of I, which will be equal to 22. So f degree will be equal to 44 degree, and that will be the answer. Question number 13 in the figure. So part first, AB straight line intersect CD straight line. So its means as a whole this angle will be the vertical opposite angle of to 6 this angle. So from here, right here, 6x degree will be equal to 34 degree plus 186 minus 4x degree vertical opposite angles. By calculations, it will be by simplification you will get 6x degree will be equal to 34 degree plus 186 degree minus 4x degree, or that will be equal to 6x degree. Here is a minus 4x degree, transfer it to the left hand side, it will become plus 4x degree will be equal to 34 degree plus 186 degree, both sides divided by 10. So it will be equal to x degree will be equal to, from here you will get 22 degree. Answer number 1. Now you have to find the value of y. Now it's so easy. If you concentrate here, CD is a straight line, and DOB and BOC are two adjacent line angles lies on a straight line CD. So therefore it will be equal to 6x degree plus 3y degree will be equal to 180 degree angles on a straight line. So put the value of x, which is 22 plus 3y will be equal to 180 degree. Now both sides divided by 3, y degree will be equal to, when you divided it, 3 ones are 3 and 1 and 9 6 3s are 18, so it will be equal to 16 degree, and that will be the answer. For part B, you have to find, first you have to choose AOD angle. So for this right here, choose angle AOD. Concentrate here, AOD, this angle. So it will be equal to 34 plus 186 minus 4x degree. So it will be equal to 34 degree minus 186 plus, sorry, it's the adjacent angle of the stereo angle, so it will be a plus, and here minus 4x degree. Put the values by simplification, you will get it will be equal to 186 and then minus 4 multiplied by the value of 22 here, and by simplifying 34 degree plus 186 degree, and from here it will be a minus 88 degree. By simplification you will get 132 degree. That is the second part, reflex COE angle, COE, this one. But remember, you have to find the reflex angle, that one up to this angle. So it will be equal to the first one here. From here it's 186 minus 4x degree, then plus the next is 3y, and the next is 6x. These are the three adjacent angles for the reflex COE. I am repeat again, you have to find the reflex angle, not the acute angle. It will become acute angle of COE. 186 minus 4 multiplied by 22, because it's the value of x is 22 degree, and plus 3 multiplied by 16, and then plus 6 multiplied by 22, again the value of x. Now final answer 278, and that will be the reflex angle of COE. That will be the answer.